Is your garage door giving you trouble? Don't just let a malfunctioning door compromise your safety and convenience. At Adams Garage Doors LLC, they specialize in fast and reliable garage door repair services. Their experienced technicians are ready to tackle any issue, ensuring your door operates smoothly again. With their high-quality service and guaranteed results, you can trust that your garage door is in expert hands. Plus, they offer affordable prices to fit your budget. Don't wait for small problems to escalate. Contact them today and reclaim the peace of mind you deserve. To know more, visit adamsgaragedorsllc.com today.